sedan that quietly understands what modern drivers actually want in 2026: efficiency without boredom, comfort without excess, and technology that helps instead of distracts. That's exactly where the 2026 Honda Accord steps in, continuing its legacy as one of the most trusted mid-size sedans while feeling more refined and future-ready than ever before. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Accord feels confident rather than flashy. The exterior design is clean, wide, and low-slung, giving it a sporty stance without trying too hard. The front fascia looks sharper with slimmer LED headlights and a bold but elegant grille that blends smoothly into the body. The side profile is long and aerodynamic, with subtle character lines that make the car look in motion, even when it's parked. Around the back, the taillights are sleek and modern, giving the Accord a premium touch that easily rivals entry-level luxury sedans. Honda has clearly focused on balance here. Nothing feels over-designed, yet everything feels intentional. Step inside, and the Accord immediately feels like a car built for real people. The cabin is spacious, airy, and thoughtfully laid out. Materials feel solid and upscale, with soft touch surfaces where your hands naturally rest. The seats are wide, supportive, and comfortable for long drives, whether you're commuting daily or taking a road trip. Rear seat space remains one of the Accord's strongest points, offering plenty of legroom and headroom, making it a great choice for families or passengers who actually value comfort. The trunk is large and practical, easily handling groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. Technology in the 2026 Honda Accord is modern, but refreshingly simple. The central touchscreen is larger, faster, and easier to use, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now standard on most trims. The digital instrument cluster is clear and customizable, showing everything from navigation to fuel efficiency without overwhelming the driver. Voice commands are more responsive, and physical buttons are still present for key functions, which makes everyday driving far less frustrating. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and seamless smartphone integration ensure the Accord stays connected without feeling complicated. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord continues Honda's focus on efficiency and smooth performance. The standard turbocharged engine delivers strong acceleration for city and highway driving while remaining fuel efficient. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making the car easy to drive for beginners, yet satisfying for experienced drivers. For those who want maximum efficiency, the hybrid version truly shines. It offers impressive fuel economy without sacrificing responsiveness. Switching seamlessly between electric and gasoline power, the ride quality is comfortable and stable, absorbing bumps effortlessly while maintaining excellent control at higher speeds. Steering feels light but precise, giving confidence whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety has always been a Honda strong point, and the 2026 Accord takes it even further. Honda Sensing now comes more advanced than ever, with improved adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation that feels smoother and more natural in real-world driving. The car actively supports the driver without feeling intrusive, which builds trust over time. Whether you're a new driver or someone who spends hours behind the wheel, the Accord makes safety feel reassuring rather than stressful. What truly sets the 2026 Honda Accord apart is how complete it feels. It doesn't rely on flashy gimmicks or extreme performance numbers. Instead, it delivers a well-rounded, experienced, stylish design, excellent comfort, smart technology, reliable performance, and outstanding efficiency. It's a car that works just as well for a daily commute as it does for long-distance travel. In a market filled with SUVs and crossovers, the Accord confidently proves that a mid-size sedan can still be practical, modern, and genuinely enjoyable to drive. In the end, the 2026 Honda Accord isn't trying to reinvent itself. It's refining everything that made it great in the first place. And that's exactly why it continues to be one of the smartest and safest choices for drivers who want a car that simply does everything right.